From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Justin Harmon for the City of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Both the Denton City Council and Planning and Zoning Commission have upcoming meetings scheduled. City Council will meet Tuesday in a work session that begins at noon. On Wednesday, the Planning and Zoning Commission's work session begins at 4, followed by the regular meeting at 6:30. All meetings are at City Hall. Watch them live here on DTV or stream them online at cityofdenton.com. Clear Creek Natural Heritage Center is the perfect place to unwind and get in touch with nature. The recent Heritage Festival is just one of many events held out there, which are designed to show off our area's unique ecosystem and provide an ability to learn in a hands-on way.
Well, if you're close enough to see a snake's eyes, you're probably too close anyways.
In sustainability, it's really important that people have access to nature, and so we just want to make sure that the public is aware of these great resources they have right in their neighborhood. And Clear Creek is such a wonderful place to come, hike, and just spend time with nature, and we want to make sure the public is aware of that. Today we have a lot of different events going on. We have Critter Man coming. We also have the library doing an Arbor Day themed story time. And we just want to celebrate the plants, the animals, and the history here at Clear Creek. We also had a tree planting class. Our urban forester at the City of Denton, Haywood Morgan, was actually here demonstrating on how you properly plant a tree. So this was our first time hosting the Heritage Festival, and it's been a great day. We've had a lot of fun, and we've gotten the opportunity to partner with a lot of local organizations and community groups, and it's been a blast.
Container gardening can help you add life and color to a small backyard or patio. You can learn all about it with a small container gardening class at Emily Fowler Central Library, Thursday the 15th, beginning at 6. Learn how to make the most out of small plants where space is limited. Visit sustainabledenton.com for more information. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the City of Denton, I'm Justin Harmon. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.